In a forgotten village, where dreams seemed too expensive, a boy named Adnan dared to dream anyway. By day, he studied. By night, he washed dishes, never complaining, only believing. Laughed at by villagers, rejected by teachers, and crushed by failure, he still refused to quit. From mopping floors to studying under streetlights, his journey was written in sacrifice. And one day, that same boy, who once couldn't afford admission, stood on a stage. A scholarship winner, a top student, a global inspiration. Adnan proved that greatness isn't born from privilege, but from perseverance. His story reminds us, your background doesn't limit you, your willpower does.